Mars should be silent, a dead planet. A planet with no heartbeat, no voice, no echo. So when the first strange signal arrived, it felt wrong. It felt out of place. It felt like Mars was trying to speak for the first time in history. Not softly, not by accident, but with intention. And the worst part, the signal did not match any machine we sent there. Not any rover, not any orbiter, not any system of ours. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe because this mystery is unlike anything NASA expected. Let us start. The first signal arrived early in the morning. A faint pulse, just one. A simple tone that should not exist. NASA checked the logs. The Curiosity rover was in sleep mode. The Perseverance rover was offline. The orbiters were silent as scheduled. Nothing on Mars should have been active, yet the signal was real. A short burst. Clean, perfect. A frequency too precise to be noise. NASA ignored it for a moment, then the second signal arrived. Longer, stronger, a direct pulse from the same region. This region had no rover, no lander, no equipment, nothing. So NASA pointed larger receivers toward Mars to capture every detail. Minutes later, another signal arrived. This one was different. It was layered, deep tones floating beneath higher tones, a strange spectral pattern that behaved like multiple echoes inside a single message. Scientists filtered the audio, and something chilling. The signal repeated in a rhythm, a pattern that did not match wind, not storms, not dust, not geology. It looked like a cycle, a pulse, almost like a heartbeat, but not organic. Planetary heartbeat. Then something impossible happened. The signal changed its frequency, as if responding, as if adjusting to our receivers, as if aware that someone was listening. This could not be natural. NASA classified the data instantly, but the signals continued. Every few days, a new burst, same direction, same strange tone, same empty region. So NASA sent an orbiter to scan the exact location. The orbiter passed overhead and detected a disturbance on the ground. Not an object, not a structure, a distortion, a reflection pattern that behaved like polished metal, but the surface looked like plain dust, flat and empty. When the orbiter returned, the disturbance had moved, only a few meters. But movement is movement, and Mars should not shift like that. The next signal came from the new location. As if the source had relocated itself, NASA began to worry that this was no natural event. Then the signals changed again, 3 pulses in a row. Then silence, then a long sustained tone powerful enough to push the receivers into warning mode. The waveform did not match any rover, not any satellite, not any technology known to humans. When mapped, the tone created a rising curve, then a falling curve, then the same rise and fall again. This matched the natural vibration frequency of the Martian crust. The signal was using the planet itself as a speaker. It was vibrating the ground, sending pulses upward through the rock, into the thin air, then into space. Something underground was broadcasting, not close to the surface, not shallow. Seismic scans revealed faint echoes below the region. A hollow zone, a large chamber under the crust, perfect for amplifying sound. The next signal proved this. It carried a double echo, a delayed bounce as if reflecting off distant cavern walls. So what is sending signals from beneath Mars? Is it geological activity? Unlikely. Geology does not respond to receivers. Is it one of our machines? Impossible. All rovers were verified silent. Is it ancient technology buried for millions of years? Maybe. Or is it something alive? Not biological, not organic, not soft. A network, a mechanical colony, a planet-wide system designed to communicate through vibration. A kind of intelligence that does not need sunlight, does not need water, does not need air. Something that wakes when it feels drilling, or movement, or vibration, or signals from Earth. Something that may have been waiting for a long time. And now, it knows we are here. If you want more deep mysteries about Mars and the strange things hidden beneath its surface, make sure you subscribe Because silence is not always silence, especially on Mars.